Hi, I'm Saffron. I'm the company administrator with Guildford Shakespeare Company. I've been with the company since spring 2017, so 3 years now. My job entails many different things, lots of all behind the scenes, thank goodness. I help a little bit with marketing and publicity, and just general all the day-to-day general admin. I also help run the Friend scheme with all our fabulous friends and patrons. I love the job. My favourite part of working is the fabulous and talented people I get to work with all the time. And my favourite moment is probably press night. I love when the performance is over and as you're walking out you can hear all the lovely comments from the audience members, and that's always really great to hear.